Rise and Bloom mga ka-RB, welcome to my YouTube channel. And it's been so long since I posted. Like, literally. But for today, we have another trip naman. So like, I've been posting for a lot of trips whenever we have trips. But yeah, so today will be, actually not today, but tomorrow. I'm just doing this because like, I really love to have a good introductions and showing you with my nails. Because it's pretty. Shout out to Liposh. Hello! Ay, over. But yeah, for today, I'm just going to pack. Yun lang. Magpapack lang ako ngayon. All my essential kind of things. And yeah, get through this packing. Because sometimes I'm a heavy packer kasi. So yeah, I'm going to pack and get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow pa yun. Tomorrow pa. So yeah, let's get packing. Hello. It's just for one night, for God's sakes. Ah! Tulong. So, yun lang yun, mga ka-RB. Ito lang yung napack ko. Medyo madami-dami din. So, yung salitang light packing, hindi ko pa yun na-apply sa sarili ko. So, mora ni ang gipack. And this stuff, ito, yung mga essentials ko. So, I guess, yeah, I'll see you guys bukas morning, mga yun. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. So, mag-get ready with me tayo. Yung ganon. So, see you! So, I'm just gonna, this is my outfit for today. Yeah. Kina-recreate ko yung pinost ko sa Facebook na yung AI and stuff. Kasi ang ganda. And I have those clothes. Like this one. And yeah, I'm just gonna brush my hair. So, details about today is, yeah, again, it's my kuya's birthday. And we love to celebrate with the whole family. Our family, you know. Pero yeah, it's our own like private trip na mura. It's, ano lang, gusto na po na mo. Pero, then again, wala dito, sorry. Medyo kumata. Sometimes when I do makeup, I just shut up. Okay. Grabe ko makafocus, man good. So, then again, beach type look. More kind of, you know, like beach type look, like minimal lang. I don't need that much because I'm already much. We're just going to check in at Solaya Panglao. Solaya Coast Panglao. We're going to check into Solaya Coast Panglao for just 2 days. Yun. Hey guys, so part of this video is nagdali-dali na jukog taman ani kay my family is already finished of their hikay moments. Yung they're already packed na and ready to go. So nagdali-dali jud ko ani as in. So let's just move on to the next video. So yeah. So as you can see naman, we're on our way to Tagbilaran City and we're going to have a stop by muna pala to my ate's house sa Baclayon. So after picking her up, we are going to the Panglao, to our hotel. What's up? Wow naman, ang ganda. So we're gonna book na. This is our booking confirmation po. Dako. So now we're going to settle our booking confirmation and getting checked in at the hotel para maano na yung mga gamit namin dun sa mga rooms. So, we're on our way to our rooms na po. As you can see, ito oh. We're getting ready and excited for the day. And yun. Ito pala yung birthday boy namin. Sponsor. Lahirus.
Daw ni scatter. Daw kuya.
So, ito yung kuya ko nga naglisod og abri sa door kay very high-tech daw. Wow. Nature. Dagat og nature ko no.
Di-upgrade daw ganang.
Superior. Ay, room. Basta i-upgrade ito room. So, as we settle our things, at saka itong CR na to, it gives me the excitement na ang ganda, tapos yung mirror, ang ganda. Yon, so room tour na tayo. Hey RB fams! So, we just arrived at Solea Panglao Resort. So, mag-room tour ako ngayon. So, upon going in, you have this, your cabinet, your amazing, unique cabinet. May ano sila dito, may hanger. And the CR. This is the CR. Hello. They have their amenities here. They're for you to brush your teeth. They have glasses also here. Actually, it's not glass, it's plastic. Parang glass siya. Which is so nice. And then we have the they have the hair blower if you want to dry your hair, and their shower. This is like so nice. They have their hair and body soap and shampoo already here. Amenities here also if gusto mo mag coffee. Tsaka may lalagyan sila ng ice if you want to drink in your hotel. They have heaters. And they have their safety deposit box. And actually, ang ganda yung design tong refrigerator na to. Parang nasa future. So it's nice. It's actually good and nice design. You have this. A really tall mirror. At saka, dito. You have 2 beds. Tapos doon yung birthday boy. The birthday boy. 2 beds. They have their telephone. Ito yung split aircon nila. Ito. Tapos cable TV. Sayang hindi dili sa smart TV. So yun. Is your vanity. Ito yung vanity nyo. Dito yung lakas yung music. Here is your yung charging port or saksakan ninyo sa inyong vanity. stuff. Tapos tissue, may tissue pala dito. Pero this is what I really love. Yung ano nila, yung view at saka yung balcony. Ganda. So medyo mainit pa dyan. So yeah, this is nature and sea view yung sinabi nila sa amin. Yan, ang ganda. So that's all of the room tour, but I will check out the entire facilities kung anong meron sa kanila at ano yung mga activities that they can offer for us. So mamaya mag-freshen up muna ako dito. Ganun. So I'm gonna go check out their facilities kasi parang ganda naman. Let's go and have an adventure on their facilities and what they can offer about it. Alay! So here is the main area as we entered the hotel. So they have their pool, their mini bars. As you can see, ang ganda yung mini bars nila. So beside the pool siya. So it's so nice. The pool is so nice. The view is so nice. Ang galing. So, ito yung beach nila. Tapos, ay, may ano pala dito. Yung shower area nila. So, ito yung beach area. Medyo hindi yung dagat. So, this is their beach. Which is so nice and relaxing. Medyo mainit pa dito. Pero ito yung beach. The sand is nice. May ibang resort pa pala dito. So yun, this is the beach area. So it's so nice. So yeah, this is their facilities. So ang ganda. It's so nice. The pool is nice. They have like a kids area din. And they have the pool there. So ang ganda. Super. So parang mamaya pa yung lounge nila kasi mga 3 pa daw yun mag-o-open. So 3 to 11 yung mag-o-open yung nila lounge. Pero yeah, pupunta kami doon. Then have a drink yung ganon. So basta ang ganda talaga dito. I didn't expect this so good and nice. They also have some gift shops here, which is so nice. Ganda. Tapos may pang may pang kids na area. Tapos mga games doon. So kids friendly po siya. And also may slide. Meron silang slide dito. Tapos yung nasa itaas is yung gym. And if you're wondering saan po kami kakain, hindi po dyan sa minibar. Dito po sa Earth. Earth yung tawag sa restaurant nila. Earth Restaurant. So nice. They also have some pastry here, like cotton candy and popcorn. So it's nice. It's kids friendly and adult friendly yung tawag nun. So it's so nice. So I'm here by the beach and pool. So overall the experience right now is good. It's nice. It's very chill out here. Like super chill talaga. Ang ganda. Tapos medyo napaano ko sa complimentary drinks nila. Kalamansi lang pala akala ko pwede ka makapili o complimentary drinks. Yung like cocktails ba yan or ano ba? So, hindi pa kalamansi juice lang pala. Pero medyo hindi pa madaming tao ngayong oras na to kasi mainit dito. Super init. Yun lang yung yun lang yung kalaban mo kapag nag-outing ka kasi mainit. Super init. Just gonna transfer sa next table kasi mainit doon. So yun, di ba ang ganda? Ganda yung panahon. Ganda yung panahon, girl. So yun, that's the building, the pool and stuff. So, ang ganda dito. Tapos yung view. They have their designated smoking area doon. So yeah, so far so good. So I will see you guys mga mamayang maybe 3 ata yung ganun, or baka kakain muna kami. Basta pupunta ako ng pupunta ako ng lounge later. Pupunta ako ng lounge later. Tapos ligo-ligo din dito mamaya. Yeah, ganun. They also have billiards here at and the access of the slide nandito sa first floor. At saka yung gym nila din.
Slide your own risk.
Hello. So we're going to the roof deck and nag-open na siya at 3 to 11 mag-iingon. So mag-go na ito to check it out. Okay, maybe later magiging sa birthday boy na ito kunustahan. So let's go. Salt and sky and up.
Let's go. Oh, guys, ito ganian pa niyan si Mother. Hello. Hello, so nice.
So, as you can see na naman, after going to the Salt and Sky Lounge, nandito kami sa pool, like, nagligo-ligo kami diri and like chilling out, ganon. Diba? Ganda! Ganda yung taong yan. But yeah, so it's so nice here, like super nice talaga. Ano mo? So, me and ate are at the beach. So, nagtanaw-tanaw me. There's a lot of boats kay daghay mga nagkuan ni like nag-tour bitaw, like daghay mga locals nga mag-offer og mga island hopping. So, ganon, ang daming boats dito, ang ganda. So, ngayon, nag-snacks kami dito. Ganda yung snacks nila, as in, it's so good. Like, grabe. Satisfaction is out of 10 out of 10. Hey mga ka-RB, so now we're going to the roof deck. Okay, we're going to take some pictures and all that stuff. We were going to eat dinner upstairs. So, yeah, ito may mag-dinner sa taas. Then, I'm just changing outfits lang. Then, retouch. Ano lang. Nice. It's like everything in Solea is so nice. The lighting, the pool, the service, it's giving, like literally giving. Try ba? Namubus. Try ba? But yeah, we're just going upstairs and we're going to eat and take some pictures. So as you can see guys, the view that it's giving na jud, Solea is one of the best part of going here in Bohol also, with their services and their amenities are so nice. And this view, as you can see, look at that, as the sunset goes down, basta ang galing. This is one of my most recommendations here in Bohol. So this is the view at night. The city lights is so amazing and it's so nice. So right now we are getting ready for dinner and celebrating my kuya's birthday.
Happy birthday.
Day to you. Yay!
Take the this. I'll take the 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Eunice, from the Reyna family.
So that's all mga ka-RBs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like, and please bell that notification for more videos. Thank you!